Hello my dear students, myself Krutika Patel from Samarpan Gyan School, Rata. Today we are going to study class 6th English grammar, a topic which we have already started, that is adjective. Today we are going to study the next topic including in the adjective, that is types of adjectives. So let's begin. As you all know, adjectives describe or modify nouns and pronouns. They describe nouns or pronouns. Adjectives answer such questions such as what kind, which one, how many. It normally indicates quality, size, shape, duration, feelings, contents, and more about nouns or pronouns. Again, I repeat, it normally indicates quality, size, shape, duration, feelings, contents, and more about nouns or pronouns. So, here I'll give you one example. I loved that red car. Which one? Which one I loved? Red car. The red is the adjective. Next, I have 10 candies in my pocket. 10 candies. How many? 10 candies. 10 is the adjective. The team has a dangerous Batman. A team has dangerous Batman. What kind of Batman? Dangerous. So dangerous is an adjective. So here there are so many adjectives which do not fit into these sentences. So adjectives are the most used parts of speech in the sentences. They are mostly used in the sentences. We can see how do the adjectives being used. They can be used as color like red, blue, brown, yellow. They can be used as opinion. It is pretty, it is right, it is happy, it is wrong. It can also be used as size, big, small, long, short. It can also be used as age, old, young. Then shape, round, triangle, rectangle. Like origin, from India, Germany, Malaysia. Materials like copper, silver, metal, gold, glass. Distance like near, far. Temperature like hot, cold. Time like late, early. So these are the words which can be used to describe any noun. These are the adjectives which describes noun. So here we come to our today's topic, that is types of adjectives. So there are many type of adjectives. So today we are going to do this 7 types of adjectives, that is qualitative or descriptive adjectives, quantitative adjectives, demonstrative adjective, possessive adjective, interrogative adjective, distributive adjective, and compound adjective. So let's study them in details one by one. So here the first one, qualitative or descriptive adjective. Now what is qualitative adjective? A descriptive adjective, it is a word which describes noun or pronoun. The most of the adjectives belong to this type. Most of them belongs to this type. These adjectives provide information and attribute to the noun and pronoun to modify or describe, and so they are known as qualitative adjectives. They describe in age, origin, material, purpose, shape. Here we can see example. A tall girl in my classroom. The students achieve excellent result. So it is describing. It is descriptive adjective. I hope it's getting clear. The hungry cats are crying. Cats are hungry. Describing the cats. Hungry cats. Next is quantity. Quantitative adjective. It provides information about the quantity of noun to indicate the number or amount of things. How many or how much. This answer to the question here is how many, quantity, how many or how much. Some, little, much, all, several. So these are the examples of quantitative. She found many pens under the table. There was no milk in the jar. So this highlighted pink color are our quantitative adjectives. I have 20 buckets. I have 20. How many? 20. So it is a number, how much or how many. Our next one is demonstrative adjective. Our next is demonstrative. It directly refers to something or someone. That is this, that, those. So this is this books, that friend, those books. So these are the examples of demonstrative adjective. These cats are so cute. These flowers are so heavenly. So here this and those, this and that are demonstrative adjectives. Next is interrogative adjectives. Interrogative itself says it's asks questions, and interrogative adjectives must be followed. Must be followed by a interrogative adjective must be followed by a noun or a pronoun. It asks questions: which, what, whose, why, whose, where, why, what, how. So this is interrogate. Whose pen is this? Which way shall we go? So these are the interrogative adjectives. Whose car is this? Possessive adjectives. It indicates possession or ownership. Mine, his, her, own, ours, theirs. So this is ownership, possession. So this is known as possessive adjective. This is his cat. This is my job. Our job is most beautiful. So these are the possessive adjectives. I hope the concept is getting clear to you. Our next is distributive adjective. Distributive adjective. To show the person or things are counted collectively or refers to a number of group of individual. Here normally used for singular noun, and your each, every, either, neither. So these are the distributive adjectives. They are counted collectively. Each participant, we don't go and count each participant. All it describes all of them. Is it getting clear? We don't describe each participant. So if we go, each student have to fill up the form. So this applies to each and everyone. So this is not to particular one. So this is distributive adjective. And the last one is compound adjectives. It's when the compound or combined words modify other nouns, they become compound adjectives made up of two or more words. You can see they are made up of two or more words. This type of adjectives usually combines more than one word into a single lexical unit and modifies a noun. They are often separated by hyphen. You can see hyphen is there, or else they are joined by a quotation mark. So we have been open-minded about things. Part-time job, lightweight, duty-free. These are a few examples of the compound adjectives. So here we come to the end of our today's topic, that is types of adjectives. We saw 7 types of adjectives. To this I want to add two more kinds of adjectives, that is proper adjectives. Adjective form of proper noun, that is specific rather than formal. That is, if I talk about, instead of a proper adjective allows us to summarize a concept just in one word. That is, instead of saying or writing good food cooked in Chinese recipe, we can say Chinese food. So here this is proper noun. And one more if I add, that is indefinite adjective. Indefinite adjective is unspecified information, few, several writers, nobody. So these are indefinite adjectives. It will come to, you'll come to know when we'll have a exercise of it. So here we come to an end of our today's topic, that is types of adjectives. So here I would like to thank SlideShare and Google for helping me to find such a beautiful presentation on types of adjectives. So here I thank them and acknowledge them. We will meet in the next video lecture. Till then, bye bye.